Therapeutic art is a powerful tool that you can use to help unlock the power of your subconscious mind, allowing you to release pain, process emotions and find clarity and meaning. Art has been used throughout history to express the depths of human experience, because our minds understand the abstract, or symbols at a deeper level than language. Now you can add this ancient tool to your life. The therapeutic process of creating art for self-expression, rather than putting pressure on yourself to make your art look good, will help you uncover and release outdated patterns, heal past emotional pain, tune into your intuition and explore your deepest dreams and desires. You will learn how to create powerful ancient art designs for meditation and self-exploration, as well as explore modern-day artistic approaches for goal setting and manifesting your dreams, like vision boards and dream boards. You will also use a variety of other therapeutic art methods, including journaling, guided meditation and therapeutic art for stress reduction. You will also learn supplemental psychology processes for helping you unlock the power of your mind, between your thoughts and beliefs, using affirmations to increase your confidence, and use visualization to rewire your brain and transform your life. This workshop is designed for adults, but the powerful therapeutic art tools you will learn can be used for anyone of any age, no matter your artistic ability. And that's the best part. It all works.